Component diagrams. Component diagrams are similar to class diagrams. The difference is that they concentrate on higher subsystem level abstractions. Component diagrams typically contain components, interfaces, and their relationships. A component diagram depicts how many components are linked together to form larger components or software subsystems or systems. They are used to illustrate the structure of arbitrary complex systems. Component diagrams are essentially class diagrams that focus on a system's components that are often used to model the static implementation view of a system. A component is something required to execute a stereotype function. Examples of stereotypes in components include executables, documents, database tables, files, and library files. Here we have an example. FileName.extension. Components can have multiple compartments, such as interfaces realized by the component or classes contained in an archive or file. Contained classes can be represented using dependencies. Components can have operations listed on them, but the operations are typically available only through the interfaces that they realize. Component diagrams are used to show the static assembly of a system. Component diagrams can illustrate how subsystems relate and which interfaces are implemented by which components. Associations, generalizations, dependencies, and realizations can be used in component diagrams.